All right, everybody, welcome back to BDP Garage. I am back in the garage, and I have a problem that's been bugging me for months, and I bet a few of you have too. I have this hose reel that I can pull out, and then it doesn't quite go back all the way. It just kind of sits there. And sometimes if I pull it all the way out, I got 20 feet left and it won't even go in. So I'm going to show you how to go from this into this. All right, this particular thing is made by Flexzilla. It's one of those little really flexy hoses, and it doesn't matter what hose reel I've had, they always do this. And so I'm going to take this apart, even though it says there's no serviceable parts inside. We're going to break the rules and see if we can fix this better. I've seen other tutorials where if this is an open reel, you can just kind of put a loop in it and get it to turn an extra loop on here by twisting it around, and you can get a little more spring tension on it if the spring is worn out. This one is enclosed, and so I don't have that option aside from taking it out. So we're gonna take this out, or take this apart, and see if we can fix that.
I think that we've all had enough. Keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough.
So I'm trying not to lose all these screws here. Well, we'll find them. So, let's see if this is coming off. Oh, okay. Oops. All right, well, oh, there it is. All right, so what this looks like is it's got a, I don't know if you can see it, is it's got a little, the inlet hose goes into a little, looks just like a shaft with a seal on it. So all the air comes in through there and must seal and go through the hose before it winds out. And I just dropped a little roller. So let's see. So I bet this now can act like an open reel, and I bet I can just tighten up the spring and let's see. Hang on. This may be easier than I thought. So we just got to pull this. Actually, these come off. So let's not. So let's pull this. So the spring's getting a little tighter, and I need to. Ooh. See, that's what I don't want to happen. I'm going to pull this out. Pull this loop out, and just give it another wrap on there. And actually, I might want 2 wraps, since it is really loose. Okay, and then we'll put our rollers back on. Oops. And let's see if that does it. Like I said, this is just the Flexzilla hose reel. I'm sure other reels have the same kind of a deal where you can do that. And let's tighten these back up so it doesn't pop off. Oop. Oop, I lost something. Oh, I lost a welding tip. Must have been sitting on the table somewhere. Dun, dun, dun. Ooh, yeah. Oh, there's one. Okay. Definitely feels much better, so let's put it on the wall and see how that works. All right, moment of truth. So it's locked out. Goes nice and tight. Hey, all right, that was an easy, quick fix. I didn't expect it to be that easy. All right, let's do a real test where it comes all the way out. This is a 50-foot hose, so it's prone to really getting bound up. I think that's the 50. So let's see. It's a little tired. Oh, I've got, some of these don't have, well, okay, there it goes. All right, at 50 feet, it's not quite, it's having a little trouble. And I think it's because the hose gets wound up all on one side instead of having a little guide that kind of feeds it alternately around the spool. Let's see if I can do that by hand and if that improves it. Yeah, I felt, oh, you felt it slip a few times. All right, so let's see. Still not. It's better than it was before, but man, it is still not. It's still winding. It's still turning. Yeah. I almost think we need one more wind around the spring, because I'd really like it to be super tight. So here we go. Let's try that again. All right. So let's see. All right, all right, we're gonna hold this steady. And we're gonna get one more wind on it. All right, let's see. I suppose I could pull it out here and see if only one is enough. Definitely seems to wind better when it's... Oh, but it doesn't have the little clicker going. Ooh, it got hot. Yeah, see this? Oh, I don't know if you can see, but if it gets wound up wrong, or two hose lengths get wound up on top of each other, they start interfering with the housing, and so that's kind of what slows it down. So you have to, I don't know if you have to kind of force it to alternate or rotate and move and shift and get all the hoses on top of each other in a nicer way. So I don't know if I can fix that, but sure would be nice to get a little bit more force out of this. So I think I'm going to wind it an additional time, just because I don't want to do this 14 more times. So I also want to rotate. This little mounting bracket was upside down, I think, when I did this the first time. All right, so let's put the roller back on. There we go. I'm going to get these two back here. All right, when I find that other screw 3 months from now, I will know where it goes. All right, so let's hang this back up. All right, moment of truth for long. Comes out, yeah, it's overlapped itself in a few spots. But now I can kind of see the loops going. That might be it. It's really hard to tell. It's just above my reach. All right. Moment of truth. Let's see. Hey, all right. That's better. Cool. And I didn't even have to guide it very much. I just I tried to guide it a little bit, but it seemed to work pretty good. So I'm pretty happy with that. If you like that, stay tuned. I got some more stuff going on with the Blazer. The back of that fender, can't see it. The back of that fender is kind of next, and you can see there's a little bit of rust on it because I was driving it outside and it is moist here. So stay tuned for the next video. It's going to be on that back fender. There's still some Bondo and other stuff that needs to get removed, and then the rest of my weld seam that was over that fender needs to be hammered out or smoothed out. So stay tuned. If you enjoyed that, we'll see you later. Bye.